We're going back.
So we're coming back to get him.
Hopefully he's still there.
Yeah.
Here he is. There's only 3 left.
Okay, we got you.
Not cheap. He's like $13 for this little thing.
And the trumpets, they go. And they playing for you, girl.
My cup runneth over with love. Don't quack back.
Okay, Polish tradition. We get together and they sing Polish Christmas carols.
It's us getting together, celebrating our traditions, ladies and gentlemen. Please pass it on to your grandchildren.
The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people that say bye.
Like a shaker of salt.
We're just driving. You know what? It's Saturday night. We ain't got nobody. So we're hanging out with Elfie.
So we just want to say Merry Christmas to everybody.
Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.
Feliz Navidad.
Yeah, it's good over here. Look at Are you coming? Yeah.
Over here.
Go on this side.
Quick, man, like all that. Take a picture of it all? Oh.
And this was hook number 2.
We're open Christmas Day for 3 hours.
And if you'd like to hire them out for the next holiday,
Then we're off for the year. We're gonna need a lot of money to quit our day jobs.
I think they have to pay airport for like private.
well, what are you doing? Wow! Wow, you're coloring.
You want to color? I thought we took one.
The last person to arrive.
I get a round of applause. Start opening. Oh, breakfast looks good.
2:16, and now we're gonna open presents.
Did you guys eat?